Good morning, student. Today we are going to start new chapter, and chapter name is ledger. After the finishing of that chapter, the next chapter is cash book. But I am not going to start with the cash book because the posting system in cash book first. For that, first we are going to know about the ledger, because the same way of ledger we are going to take the posting of cash book. So now we are going to start with the ledger. It's a chapter number. Ledger chapter number is, I think 13 is there. 13. Okay, beta. Chapter number 13. What is the ledger? Ledger is like a summarize of the account. It means in the ledger we are taking the all information of one type of account. You will learn about the journal entry, and after that this journal entry we are making the some account as like the cash account. If you are going to make the cash account, the all type of cash entry, all cash entry we are going to transfer in the cash account. Okay, beta. First we are going to see the pro forma of ledger. Just see. This is the pro forma of ledger. Okay, cash account. It's a date, it's a particular, it's a JF, general folio, and amount, same date, particular, JF, amount credit this side, amount debit this side. Okay, beta. This is the pro forma of ledger. The system of making of the ledger, we are going to open the all the name of account of the ledger. It means if in one question many type of account name is coming, so we are going to open the all name account, all type of accounts ledger of different. Okay, as like a, just think, if you have only three entry. First is cash account debit to capital. Second is cash account debit to Ram. Third is rent account debit to cash. Okay. Now here we are going to make one account for cash, one ledger for cash, one account for capital, then cash, then one account for RAM and one account for rent. It means we are going to make the four account, four ledger. Okay, beta. We are going to make the four ledger, and that four ledger for the one for cash, second for capital, third for RAM, and fourth for rent. This is the way on just going to the use of this formula, this pro forma. We are going to make the four ledger. Okay, beta. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? In the ledger, we are going to make the ledger of the all the account which is coming in this journal entry. 10, 20, 21, 28. How many account will come? Name will come. We are going to make the different accounts. Okay, that is clear. Now we are going to start with the posting of the account of ledger. How we are going to post these all amount? How we are going to post these amount in a ledger? Okay, just see. We are going to make the cash account. Okay, cash account, and first entry is cash account debit to capital. Second is rent account debit to cash. Third is RAM account debit to Raj. Okay. Now we are going to make the cash account. Cash account. First ledger is cash. Okay. Just see. Cash account we are going to make. The rule is that which account we are going to make, if that is debited, then other account will debit. If that is credited, that is other or opposite account will credit. It means which account we are going to make. If that is debit, then his opposite account is debit. Okay, beta? Clear? Which account we are going to make? If that is debit, so his opposite account will debit. And which account going to make? If that is credit, so his opposite account will credit. It means the account which we are going to make in journal entry, if that is debit, so his opposite account will debit. If that is credit, so then his opposite account will credit. As like that, cash. Where? The C. Here cash is debit, then to capital. Okay. Here cash is credit, then buy rent. Here Ram to Raj. No cash is there, then we are not going to take this entry on the posting of cash account. Clear or not? Just next, we are going to make the one next account. Here I am not going to balancing the things. First you will understand how to make the accounts, then I will go for the balancing. Okay, beta? Okay, next account I will go back to capital account. Just see how to make this capital account. Same way, performa is same. Just see, capital is what? Credit. So his opposite is what? Cash. So cash will credit. Buy cash. Okay? Just see next account. We are going to make the rent account. Okay? In that entry, rent is debit and cash is credit. Rent is debit, so cash will debit. So to cash. On this way we are going to post the entries. Okay, beta? Clear? On this way we are going to post the entry. Clear or not? Which account we are going to make? That is debit, then his opposite will debit. That is credit, then his opposite is credit. But on the time of taking the amount, we are going to take the amount which is the front of that main account. Okay? Cash account debit to capital. So on the front of cash account, which amount is there, that will be taking for the written here. Okay, clear? How to make the ledger is clear or not? How to make the ledger, it's clear or not? We are going to make the ledger like that. It means all the account, all the name which is coming in the journal, we are going to make the account for these all. We are going to make the account for these all. Okay, beta? Clear? Now I am going to take one illustration. On the basis of that illustration, I will try to make you all understand. I am going to take the illustration because if I am going to do the first entry and then ledger, that will take the more and more time. So I am going to take the illustration, journal entry read by the students, and then I will post it. I will going to make the posting. Okay? Just see this illustration. Illustration number 1. After the journal entry, just see. After the journal entry, we are going to make the all ledger account. Which amount, which name is coming here? We are going to make the ledger, different ledger here. Just see how many ledger here make. Okay, clear? Now I am going to start with the utilizing this journal entry. On the basis of that, we are going to make the cash account. First, I am going to make the cash account. Okay, clear, beta? And as what we are going to use, if we are going to make the cash account, then see all the entry in which cash is coming, that entry is transferred in cash account. If cash is not coming, then the entry is not transferred in cash account because that is not related with the cash account. Clear, beta? If as like that, if 4 or 5 entry you have, okay, 4 or 5 entry you have, and one entry is not related with the same account, So then that entry we are not going to transfer in a cash book or other account. Okay, I am going to make the cash account. Cash account. Just make the pro forma, and then how to post it. Main thing is how to post it, beta. Okay. Other thing is same. Other thing is not problem. But main problem is that how we are going to post it. Okay. Let's read the entries. I am going to post it. First entry is
Date.
no, that is not entry. This
Cash account.
David. Read like that.
Capital.
Cash account. It's a David to like that.
To capital account.
Okay, cash account debit to capital account. Cash account debit to capital account. Here cash is debit, beta. So sure and certain capital will debit to that capital account. Amount, beta?
Amount 2 lakh.
2 lakh. Okay, clear, beta? Clear? Which account we are going to make? If that is debit, then his opposite will debit, credit, then opposite will credit. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? Clear, beta? Okay, next.
Furniture account debit to cash account.
Again in this entry cash is coming, then furniture account debit to cash account, it means cash is credit, so furniture will credit, beta. Buy furniture amount
20,000.
20,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Next.
Furniture account debit to purchase account debit to cash account debit 50,000.
Purchase account debit to cash account. Okay. Here again purchase account debit to cash account. Cash account is there. Then your certain transfer in cash account. Then to purchase amount
50,000.
50,000. Okay. Next.
Purchase account debit to Vishal Trading Company.
Purchase account debit to Vishal Trading Company. Here no cash is there. Okay. No cash is coming in this in the entry. So this entry, this Vishal or cash, we are not going to transfer in a cash account because in this entry cash is not coming. If cash is not coming, then we are not going to post it that entries. Okay. Next.
Vishal Trading Company debit to purchase returns account.
Again same, no cash is there, so we are not going to post it in the cash account. If we are making to purchase account, then we are going to enter this. Okay, next.
Next, Vishal Trading Company debit to cash account.
Vishal Trading to cash account. Okay, Vishal Trading to cash account. Now cash is coming. It means that entry we are going to transferred or posted in this Vishal amount.
Amount 20,000 cash account 90,000 or to discount received 1,000.
Okay, 19,000. Now we are enter the 19,000. In front of cash only 19,000. We are taking 19,000. Next.
To cash account debit to sales account.
Cash account debit to sales account. Cash account debit to sales account. Again cash is coming and cash is debit. So sales will what? Debit or credit. Cash account debit to sales account. And this purchase is what? Purchase account debit to cash account. Okay, the purchase account debit to cash account, it will transfer this side. Na? Purchase account debit to cash account. So buy, purchase. It's the 50,000. Na? Okay. To sales account. Amount?
To sale. Cash account to sales account 40,000.
40,000. Okay, next.
Next, Hero Limited debit to sales account.
Hero Limited debit to sales account. Again, cash is not coming, so we are not taking this entry in this cash book, cash account. Okay, next.
Drawing account debit to cash account to purchase account.
Okay, drawing account debit to cash account to purchase account. Just see. Drawing account debit to cash to purchase. Here we are not meaning with this purchase. Cash account is credit, its opposite is what? Drawing. Its opposite is not the purchase beta. Its opposite is drawing. And the front of cash, what amount is there? We are taking that amount only. Okay beta? Just tell the amount beta.
14,000 drawing account, to cash account 10,000, to purchase account 4,000.
Okay, entries like that. So here cash is what? Credit. So that drawing will credit by drawing. Okay. We are not going to take the 14,000. We are going to take the 10,000. Clear beta? How to post it? Okay, next.
Mohan Garments debit
Yes.
to cash account, to discount receive account.
Mohan, David to cash discount. Okay. Tell me the amount.
Mohan Garment debit 8,000, to cash
8,000.
to cash account 7,800.
7,800 and 200 discount. Here again cash is what? Credit. It means its opposite is Mohan will credit with the amount of 7,800 by Mohan. Okay beta? Clear? Cash account credit, so Mohan will credit with the amount of 7,800 in front of cash. What amount is there? We are going to take that amount. Okay?
So yeah.
Next.
Maybe. Cash account debit, discount allowed debit to Hero Limited.
Again, cash account debit, discount account debit, Hero Limited, amount
Cash account debit 8,850. Discount allowed
850, 150, total is 9,000. Here cash is debit and his opposite is Hero Motors. Okay, so here to Hero Ltd with the amount of front of the cash 8850. Okay, next.
Next. Cash account debit to sales account.
Cash account debit to sales account. So to sales account. Okay beta, after doing some entries now you will easily remember these things where we are going to post it. Amount
12,000.
10,000,
12.
12,000. Okay, next.
Next. Purchase account debit to Pawan Brothers.
Here again cash is not coming, so we are not going to take this entries in cash account. Okay, next.
Next. Rent account debit, salaries account debit to cash account 6,000.
Rent account debit, salary account debit to cash account. Amount
Rent account 2,000, salaries account 4,000, to cash total 6,000.
okay, just see again cash is what? Credit. It means sure and certain these two will credit. Okay, because both are the opposite of the cash. So then buy rent by salary 2,000 and 4,000. Next. It's clear beta? How to post it is clear or not? Clear? After this just take the balance of which is more. I think this is more because 2 lakh is there. 2,40,000, 2,50,000, 2,60,000, 2,60,850. Okay. 2,60,850. 2,60,850.
90.
Okay, clear? Okay. In the book that totaling system is not given, but I will explain, don't worry. Just see what is more. Which side is more? Two sides there, na? It's the debit side and this side is credit side. Clear? So which side is more? We are going to take the total of that side. This side is more. It's very clear because 2 lakh is there. So we are going to take the total of this side. 2,60,850. 2 lakh 40,000, 2 lakh 50,000, 2 lakh 60,850. Again the same amount we are going to write here only and then take the difference. And this side 50 is there, then 0. Okay. Just see 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 90,000. Okay, beta. 99,000, 1 lakh 1,000, 1 lakh 5,000, 1 lakh 12,000, 1 lakh 12,800. 1 lakh 12,800. 12,800. It means 8 here. 2 or 8, 12,000 is there, no? 1 lakh 12,800. It means 280. 1 is remain. 1, 1, 2 and 4. 6 and again 1. It means difference is 1,48,050. Okay, 1,48,050. That is what? That is by balance CD. Okay, beta. On this way we are going to make the all account. Okay, we are going to make the all accounts. It's only I am going to make only cash account. Only cash account. Just see if you are going to make the capital account also. Capital account. Just see how to make. Actually only one entry for the capital. First entry in your book. Cash account debit to capital. Then capital is credit, so cash will credit to cash. What amount is there? The amount is 2 lakh, I think. Okay, then totaling 2 lakh. Right here only 2 lakh because that side is only the amount. 2 lakh, then 2 balance CD. Okay, this is the way we are going to take the balance. Which side is more? We are going to total of that side, just writing the both side and then the taking a difference of the less side. And same like we are going to make the capital account, we are going to make the sales account, we are going to make the hero account, we are going to make the furniture account, Vishal account, purchase account, drawing account, Mohan account, rent account. Okay, beta? These all name is coming in your question. So we are going to make the all the account, that is called ledger, beta. Okay? Clear? How to make the ledger? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Thank you.